Here's a classic banana bread recipe that's moist, delicious, and easy to make. Ingredients: 3 ripe bananas mashed, 1/3 cup 80 milliliters melted butter, 3/4 cup 150 grams sugar. You can reduce it to a half cup for less sweetness. 1 egg beaten, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of salt, 1.5 cups all-purpose flour. Instructions: preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 75 degrees and grease a 9x5 inch loaf pan. Mash the bananas in a large mixing bowl using a fork until smooth. Stir in the melted butter. Add the sugar, beaten egg, and vanilla extract to the banana mixture. Stir well to combine. Mix the baking soda and salt into the batter. Add the flour and stir until just incorporated. Avoid overmixing to keep the bread tender. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan. Bake in the preheated oven for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the bread cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Optional add-ins: chocolate chips, walnuts or pecans, cinnamon or nutmeg for extra flavor. Enjoy your homemade banana bread. Is banana bread good for health? Banana bread can be a tasty treat, but whether it's good for your health depends on how it's made and how much you eat. Health benefits of banana bread. Bananas. Bananas are rich in potassium, vitamins and fiber, which are good for heart health and digestion. Fiber. Some banana bread recipes use whole wheat flour or oats, which add fiber to your diet, promoting healthy digestion. Nutrients. It contains essential nutrients like carbohydrates for energy, and if you add nuts, you'll get healthy fats and protein. Health concerns. High sugar. Traditional banana bread recipes contain sugar, which, when consumed in excess, can lead to weight gain, blood sugar spikes, and other health issues. Refined flour. Many banana bread recipes use refined white flour, which lacks fiber and can cause blood sugar levels to rise quickly. Calories. Banana bread is often high in calories, especially when made with butter, oil, or added sweeteners. Eating large portions can lead to weight gain. Tips for a healthier banana bread: use whole wheat flour instead of white flour. Substitute honey or maple syrup for sugar. Add nuts or seeds for extra fiber and protein. Cut down on butter by using applesauce or Greek yogurt. In moderation and with healthier ingredients, banana bread can be part of a balanced diet. However, it's still best enjoyed as an occasional treat rather than a daily food.